We embarked on the fourth phase of autopsies of the victims of bodies which we exhumed at Shakahola, and today we managed to do 10 postmortems, and of these postmortems, the majority of them were children. 9 were children while 1 was an adult. We were able to establish that about 4 of them died because of starvation, but 6 of them we were unable to establish, the reason being that they were decomposed to a level that we were unable to get anything meaningful in a form of a cause of death. The number of males were 4, while females were 3. But 3 of them we were unable to tell the gender because of decomposition. And very soon they'll be able to release the DNAs which have been matched, so that now we can be in that phase of releasing bodies to the relatives.